Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Xfinity mobile transfer PIN, also called your security PIN, so you can port your number to another carrier. First, open your computer and log in to your Xfinity mobile account. In the upper right corner, hover over your name and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Go to the Devices section. This shows all the lines on your account. Click on the line for the number you want to transfer. Look for and click Learn More to transfer your number. This will either show your security PIN right away or give you the option to have it sent to you by automated call, email, or even mail. And that's it. That's how you get your Xfinity mobile transfer PIN so you can move your number to a new carrier. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.